Hi guys, so my name is Sandy. I'm back again with another video today, and I'm just going to talk about how time is so important and it's something that we can't control. So we need to find effective methods on how to really improve our time. For this video, I'm just going to talk about what do we do and why time is so important and time is key. You know, people always say time is more valuable than money and time is money, and I feel like a lot of people fail to understand why time is money. So in the second video, part 2, I'll talk about some techniques that we can use, you know, as students or as businesswomen or as businessmen, and just like in general some really key and core tips and tricks on how to use your time effectively. But essentially, why we say time is money is because we only have 24 hours in a day. All of us have 24 hours in a day. No one else has anything special, you know, someone who's doing more than you. You know, you'd sit down and you look at people, you know, I scroll through LinkedIn quite often and you look through people and you're thinking, oh, they're doing more than me. Like, surely they have more time. No, everyone's got same amount of time, everyone's got 24 hours in the day. It's just how effectively they use it. We as a society kind of waste time on things that isn't our priority, so we spend time on things that are not really helping us because we tend to not prioritize our time or prioritize our to-do list, our task list, and that's when we're wasting time away. Also really interesting is that many of our clients and people that we've spoken to, a lot of people have said that they tend to live in the past and that's why they're not like effective now. Moves on and you're left where you are and you think that somehow you can change the situation, you can change the outcome, but that's the past. The past is in the past and the past will always remain in the past. For those people who live in the past and thinking about the past constantly, they're always stuck in there, and it's really hard to be from that grey zone to get into a great zone. Because if you're thinking about the past constantly, that's always going to be in your mind and you're never going to figure out ways and strategies to improve and implement in your future or present life. So it's always good to live in the present and use your time effectively, because time is money and we all have 24 hours in a day and we all have certain things we want to achieve, and the best way is to literally make sure that you're using your time well and you know what you need and you need to prioritize what's important to you. Don't let time slip through your fingers. Don't let everything pass by you. I feel like a lot of people, you know, they get into, like I said, this grey zone where they get quite unmotivated. They're stuck in their belief, they're stuck in their, you know, their work and just all their constant thoughts, that they're just letting time pass away. You know, they're just letting it go and they're not seeing the true potential of time. They're not seeing what they can do to achieve during that time. They're just letting it pass away, and each second of every single day is so important. I have a planner where I plan out hour by hour for my entire day, and that ensures that I don't waste my time or I don't let any hour pass, because you need to seize the moment and seize the time. Invest time in doing something that's productive for you. Invest time in spending with your loved ones, you know. Invest time doing things that you love, because spending time on, you know, other people or other projects that doesn't make your heart go like, yeah, it doesn't make you feel passionate and doesn't have that fire and like doesn't give you that burning desire, cut that out. You don't need that. You need to spend time on things that you're passionate about, the things you're doing well, and with people, and surround yourself with people who brings that out of you. And that's why you should spend time with people or projects that inspire you, because time is so precious. If you manage your time effectively, you'll reach a point where you can get more opportunities, you spend time with your loved ones, and you just get more out of life, because you have all this free time that you've been wasting, and you have all this free time to do things that actually you're passionate about. Many don't realise the importance of time till it gets taken away from us and ripped out from us and we don't get the opportunity anymore. So like I said, seize the day, seize your time, spend your time wisely and cut out all the things that you shouldn't be spending your time on, because time is money. Some people who are spending 2 hours a day doing emails while you're sleeping, they're getting ahead of the game. And I'm not saying to be, you know, just work with your time, but use your time effectively and spend time with things and spend moments with people and things that you care about truly, because you'll never get this time back. Life passes by you. You know, I feel like everyone was saying January went really, really slow, but if you look at all the things you've done in January or you haven't done in January, all that time, you should have achieved something amazing, or you should have done something that really excited you. And if you haven't really done anything in January, you've just not wasted your time, but you've not spent your time effectively, and you have not received your true potential because you're missing that time on it. So part 2 of this video, like I said, is going to talk about effective methods on how to really improve your time management skills. Have quite a lot of skills to get through and a lot of tips to get through, but yes, look out for that video because there's a lot of strategies that's going to help you. Before watching that video though, I think it's really good to know what your priorities are, because then when you watch that video you can apply it to your actual life. So I suggest downloading our free workbook, our goal setting workbook, and in there it has places where you can write your priorities and rank certain areas of your life, so you know which areas that you should spend more time on, if that makes sense. So the link will be down below for that workbook. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope you have a good day and stop wasting your time and seize every moment of the day. Thank you.